Hey everybody, Jermaine Hill here from NoMoreGoingBroke.com. Hey, I want to make a really quick video here just talking about my new experience with Motor Club of America. Hey, listen, if you don't know by now, search the net, search YouTube. This is a real company that pays you 200% commissions. Long story short, it's a $40 investment to get started, and then the company pays you $80 per referral, and you can get started as soon as today. What I want you to do is go to www.nomoregoingbroke.com. Check out check out my website there. I'll tell you what, it is going to ask you to enter in your email address right below. Once you get to the site, put that in so that you can get to the real story of what's going on with MCA. Hey, listen, what's going to happen here when you get over there. On the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to have the introduction, basically giving you a presentation about the company. Okay, it's going to have company info, company history. It's going to have the services, the products and the services that MCA offers. That in order for you to be an agent, you're going to actually be a customer of MCA, so you're going to have those benefits as well. It's going to talk, about the compensation plan. Hey, the WIFM, what's in it for me? Okay, how do you get paid? When do you get paid? Everything you need to know. It's going to talk about how to market it. Okay, a lot of people come into this business and they see people flashing money. You know what I mean? And they just simply can't figure out how are they going to promote their business. And hey, you have to start somewhere. So if you don't know, you don't know. But hey, on my website there, it tells you where you can go. And if you join under me, I will help you. I have some material written out that I will forward to you that gives you step-by-step information on how to market your material so that you can begin getting paid. And then along those lines, there's also a link there for training that tells you where you can go for training. Starts from what to do on, day one, as soon as what paperwork needs to be filled out, what things you need to do, and how to go about talking about this company and this business opportunity and presenting it to, other people so that you can get paid and in turns get them paid. And then more importantly, it's going to have the, how do I get started link where you can click right on that right from my website, follow the directions, go ahead and join. I will be notified immediately. I will forward you the information that I have written out on exactly how to promote how to promote the business opportunity. Hey, listen, I want to be straight with you, okay? The information that I have, there's nothing wrong with it. I use it today and I'm making money, okay? And it's not going to cost you, any more money than what you paid to invest into the company, okay? If you're diligent and persistent and follow my instructions to a T, you will get paid. You cannot do this on Monday and not do it again until Friday and wonder why you don't have any sales. Okay, this is an opportunity that you're going to have to be diligent in. You are an entrepreneur, you're starting from the bottom, you need to get your business out there. Once it's out there, it's like the snowball effect. You just keep rolling and rolling, it gets bigger and bigger. So hey, I wanted this to be real brief here. I want you to check out my video, my website, www.nomoregoingbroke.com, all together. Check it out. Again, look at the tabs on the left-hand side. It's going to answer any questions that you may have regarding Motor Club of America. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call after you view the website and after you have looked at all of the links. Even after that, if you still have questions, call me at 216-202-4095. If I happen not to answer the phone, I do return all phone calls. Hey, let's get started. Click on my link right below and let's go ahead and get this cash. I'll see y'all at the top.